The top 5 most beautiful luxury villas in Bali, Indonesia. Let's go! You're not gonna believe this. Award-winning infinity pools, floating breakfasts, your own private butler, sunken living rooms, and net beds overlooking the jungle. After weeks and weeks of exploring some of the most jaw-dropping villas in Bali, we've narrowed it down to our top 5 most beautiful luxury villas. And yes, we're spilling the prices too. So let's go. Hi guys, my name is Angelica Wanders, and this is Eileen Wanders, and we create budget travel guides all around the world. Now, if you've been following us, you know we usually focus on saving money while traveling. In fact, our recent video for the top 5 most affordable villas in Bali is almost at 1 million views. But today, we're flipping the script and going full-on luxury, because sometimes you just gotta treat yourself. But let's be real. Finding the perfect villa can feel too overwhelming, especially when there are hundreds of beautiful villas to choose from. But don't worry, because we did all the research for you. We tested some of the highest rated accommodations, compared them all, and put together our top 5 picks for the most stunning luxury villas in Bali. And make sure you watch until the end, because trust me, you're definitely gonna wanna see number 1. But before we dive in, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's start off with villa number 5. This place felt like stepping into an exotic jungle escape. We booked this huge 2-bedroom villa located between Seminyak and Canggu, and honestly, we were completely blown away the moment we walked in. The architecture is what really sold us. A perfect blend of Balinese bamboo vibes and modern minimalist design. There was a sunken living room with a little peek into the pool. Neutral tones everywhere, from white walls to warm wooden accents and touches of rattan and bamboo. Super high ceilings with a beautiful woven design, and so much natural lighting flooding in through these massive glass doors. We saw the pictures online, but seriously, it's even more gorgeous in person. And look at this, the pool was a masterpiece. The water had a stunning shade of bright blue, surrounded by tall greenery and cozy daybeds. There's even this cute little bridge over the pool, such a unique detail that makes it extra photogenic. Now the living and dining area, definitely my favorite part of the villa. The sunken living room was so cozy. You can sip some hot tea while binge watching Netflix or YouTube on their smart TV. They don't serve breakfast at the Airbnb, but the villa had a fully equipped kitchen. It came with a refrigerator, island stove, and a water dispenser for unlimited refills, plus handy appliances like a coffee machine, blender, and microwave. On top of that, it had complete cookware and dining essentials. Plates, bowls, mugs, literally everything you need. But if you don't want to cook, to be honest, there aren't a lot of restaurants nearby, but that wasn't a problem because you could easily order grab food and have all your favorite cuisines delivered straight to your tropical paradise. The villa had 2 bedrooms, both with huge glass doors that open up right to the pool. Each bedroom comes with its own bathroom, complete with hot showers, gorgeous stone sinks, and refillable bath essentials, shampoo, conditioner, and body soap. And yes, there's air conditioning in both bedrooms and the living room, so you stay completely cool wherever you are. The Wi-Fi is fast too, so you can get some work done or upload your vacation snaps instantly. You do need to book a minimum of 2 nights, but honestly, just look at this place. Imagine staying here for 2 nights. Who's complaining? It costs about $122, good for 4 people, which comes out to about $30 each. For a place this stunning, it's 1000% worth it. From the bamboo details and sunken living room to the high ceilings and bridge pool. If you're looking for a stylish, Instagram-perfect tropical escape, this place is seriously worth every cent. We'll leave a discount link in the description below. And for an extra discount, you can use our coupon code WandersAgoda to save a little cash. On to the next villa. cultural retreat in the middle of endless rice fields. Welcome to the Wakanda Pramana, a luxury resort tucked away in Ubud Valley. From the moment we arrived, we were greeted with the sweetest Balinese blessing ritual. A lovely Balinese girl placed rice on our forehead and tucked a little flower behind our ear. Such a beautiful way to begin our stay. Then came the suite, and wow, it's a spacious open-concept studio. No bathroom doors, no shower doors, just one big space that flows together beautifully. There was a massive stone bathtub by the window, a waterfall shower right beside it, a cozy couch for lounging, an ambient lit bed that makes the space feel so calming. The bathroom came fully stocked with toiletries and refillable bath essentials. But what really stood out were the little details. There were woven accents everywhere. From the tissue box to the toiletries holder to the cabinet doors, it added such a lovely traditional touch. On top of that, the room also comes with free Balinese coffee and a tray of fresh fruits that gets refilled daily. But my favorite spot? The infinity pool right outside. Because when the sunrise hits, it's absolutely magical. The light hits the water, rice fields stretch in every direction, and you've got plenty of day beds for swimming, lounging, and napping all day. If you want to do more than just pool bumming, the resort also has a relaxing spa, a gym with pretty views, free daily yoga sessions, and even trekking activities if you're feeling adventurous. Free breakfast is also included in the booking. And while it wasn't a buffet, it seriously felt like one. We got yogurt, pastries, avocado toast, eggs and bacon, coffee, juice, basically a mini feast to start the day. And just when we thought it couldn't get any better, our booking also came with free afternoon tea, served at their in-house restaurant. It came with pretty little Balinese rice cakes and pudding cakes. So simple, yet so good. And for dinner, we decided to order in-room dining and eat on our private terrace because nothing beats enjoying a meal surrounded by your own little garden. The villa cost $165, good for 2 people, which comes out to about $83 per head. And that already includes breakfast and afternoon tea. The Wakanda Pramana was stunning. The service is next level, and our entire stay truly felt like a 5-star retreat from start to finish. We didn't just book a villa, we booked a whole experience where luxury meets nature, right in the heart of Ubud. Our villa was an absolute dream. We stayed in a 1-bedroom pool villa, and it was huge. 2 entire floors all to ourselves, plus our very own private lap pool, perfect for a refreshing dip or just lounging on the pool beds all day. The first floor had a spacious living and dining area with that perfect indoor-outdoor vibe. Huge glass doors, plenty of natural lighting, and lush greenery peeking in from every angle. It felt so serene and peaceful. But if you want to plug back into the world, there's a smart TV with Netflix and YouTube, and the Wi-Fi is super fast too, so you can easily get some work done. The kitchen is fully equipped as well, from a stove and a fridge to a coffee maker and a blender. So you've got everything you need if you feel like cooking or whipping up your own drinks. Upstairs, the bedroom was super cozy with warm lighting and a cute little balcony overlooking the greenery. And the ensuite bathroom, a total surprise. We had our very own Japanese soaking tub with fragrant bath salts, ultimate relaxation. This is the perfect spot to unwind after a long day of exploring Ubud. Breakfast was also included in our stay, and you can either enjoy it at their in-house restaurant or have it delivered straight to your villa. We went for the in-villa setup and had a full dreamy spread of eggs benedict, avocado toast, pastries, fresh fruits, coffee, juice, and unlimited sides. And in the afternoons, they even served us free afternoon tea with a tower of sweet and savory treats that you can enjoy by the pool. But what really makes Bisma 8 Villas extra special are all the free guest activities they offer. You get access to free yoga sessions, Balinese dance classes, cooking workshops, and even mocktail making lessons, 100% complimentary. You could honestly spend your entire trip here and never run out of things to do. You even get free access to their beautiful infinity pool at their main hotel, which is just a few minutes away from the villa. And of course, we had to try out their mandala spa. Guys, hands down, one of the best massages we've had in Bali. So relaxing, and we almost fell asleep halfway. From the stunning villa design to the thoughtful little details, the friendly staff, and endless activities, Bisma 8 Villas felt like a complete luxury escape. The price is a bit steeper at $280 per night, or about $140 per person. But what you're really paying for is the convenience of having world-class amenities, a nice mix of free curated activities, and the comfort of a private villa paired with the perks of a 5-star resort. Again, discount links are in the description below, and you can use the coupon code WandersAgoda for an extra discount. This next villa is absolute magic. It felt like we discovered a secret jungle hideaway. Just us, surrounded by towering bamboo, lush greenery, and the soothing sound of a river flowing right in front of the villa. With the birds chirping above and water rushing below, it honestly felt like waking up in a fantasy world. We had our own private infinity pool, complete with day beds and even a net bed suspended over the trees. No noise, no crowds, just pure peace, privacy, and nature sounds wrapping all around you. The entire villa had this warm wood and bamboo aesthetic that strikes the perfect balance between rustic and luxurious. The first floor lies our open-air living and dining space, blending seamlessly with the surrounding jungle. The kitchen is pretty equipped as well, with a stove, a blender, microwave, toaster, water dispenser, and all the cooking and dining essentials to whip up a feast. But honestly, you might not even end up cooking, because the villa offers an in-house menu with a full-service staff who can prepare every meal for you and clean up after. It made the whole stay feel so effortless. And even though breakfast isn't included, the food and drinks are surprisingly affordable. Plus, they stock the villa with free coffee and tea, which you can enjoy by taking in the most incredible views. Seriously, morning coffee here just hits different. Tucked right behind the dining area is an outdoor bathroom. It's completely open air and surrounded by plants. Showering here was such a freeing experience. Warm water on your skin and the cool jungle breeze on your face. The space also comes stocked with toiletries, so you've got everything you need for the perfect tropical shower experience. Heading up to the second floor, the stairs are a little steep, but it only adds to the villa's natural treehouse-like charm. The bedroom upstairs had such cabin vibes. Warm lighting, soft linens, bathrobes for that cozy staycation vibe, and air conditioning to keep you perfectly comfy. Waking up here, you can open your balcony doors to the sound of the river and the view of endless trees. Perfect. The Wi-Fi was strong enough for us to get some work done in the mornings, but trust me, you'll want to disconnect and just soak in the views. For $134, good for two. That comes out to about $67 per head. You get that dreamy infinity pool, that exotic net bed, to the calming river sounds and birds chirping. This place feels straight out of a daydream. Award-winning eco-luxury resort in North Bali and home to one of the top 10 infinity pools in the world. Welcome to Mundok Modeng Plantation, where you get misty mountain views, your own private jacuzzi, awesome amenities, a private butler, and authentic Balinese experiences, complimentary for their guests. We stayed in their one-bedroom pool villa, and it was absolutely stunning. We had a spacious living room overlooking our private pool, outdoor day beds perfect for lazy afternoons, and the prettiest bathtub sitting right in the middle of the bathroom. The bedroom had gorgeous bamboo details everywhere, from the walls to the lighting, giving the whole space an earthy vibe. And there were sweet little touches, like luxe bathrobes, free toiletries, free coffee and tea, and super fast Wi-Fi for working if you need it. But our absolute favorite part? Our very own private jacuzzi with the jets. The resort sits around 1,200 meters up in the mountains, and trust me, a steaming hot jacuzzi plus cool mountain air. Literally the best feeling ever. And if it gets a bit chilly inside, there's even a cozy fireplace waiting for you. Now let's talk food. You can start your morning with a dreamy floating breakfast served right in your private pool. And in the afternoons, you can get some free afternoon tea, which comes with some cookies and traditional Balinese snacks. Now for lunch or dinner, you can order in-room service to eat with some Netflix or YouTube on your smart TV. Or what I would recommend, grab a table at their in-house restaurant for a sunset view overlooking their iconic infinity pool. Picture Bali's mountains, coffee plantations, and the sea, all in one breathtaking view. Oh, and did I mention each villa comes with your own private butler? Huge thanks to Putra and Mahen for taking such great care of us. But what makes Mundok Moding Plantation truly special is that there are so many cool things to do. Beyond the tennis and badminton courts, there's a bamboo gym, a spa and sauna, jacuzzis by the bamboo bar, and a game room. You can also tour their very own organic coffee plantation and witness the full bean to cup process, from harvesting to roasting to cupping to tasting. Plus, they offer free authentic experiences like yoga in the forest, traditional attire workshops, guided walks through their vegetable garden, and even a visit to their very own eco lab, where plastic waste is transformed into beautiful functional art pieces like hangers, soap dispensers, even jewelry, and more. Bundok Moding Plantation isn't your usual eco-luxury resort. From waking up above the clouds to soaking in your own jacuzzi, sipping hot tea with mountain views, and joining all the fun activities. You'll come for the infinity pool, but stay for everything else. So those were our top 5 picks for the most beautiful villas to book in Bali. Again, discount links are listed in the description below. And don't forget to use our coupon code WandersAgoda for an extra discount. Make sure to save this video and share it with your travel buddies so you can let them choose which one to book. Now, if you're on a budget, you can also check out our top 5 affordable villas in Bali, which is also up on our YouTube channel. We also have an ultimate Bali travel guide where we share a 7-day itinerary for you to have the best Bali trip possible. On this channel, we teach you guys how to save money when traveling, how to book cheap flights, how to book cheap hotels, and just a whole lot of travel hacks. So if this video helped you in any way, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below if you have any questions about the villas. We do our best to reply to every single comment, so don't be afraid to ask. Well, that's it for today. We hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we hope you enjoy your trip to Bali. This is Angelica and Eileen Wanders. Never stop wandering.